Now choose your preferred language. Let's click on continue. Then let's set up our date and time. Click on date and time. Okay, choose your area and click on done. Then choose your keyboard and then go to software selection. And in this software selection, select server with GUI and click on done. Now click on installation destination and click on VMWARE. Now go to network and host name, then enable Ethernet, then select done, then click on begin installation. Now click on root password. Let's set our root password for super user. And click on done. If you want to create a user, click on user creation. Let us create a user with name ATP. Let's create a password for it. Click on done. Now the installation will complete. It may take some minutes. Now the installation is completed. Let's click on reboot. Now click on the first and hit enter. Now wait for some minutes, few minutes. Now click on license information. Now check the accept button and press done. Now finish configuration. Now click on your username and type your password and do sign in. Now welcome to CentOS. Let's select our language in our typing language. Click next. You can turn on or off location as your choice and click on next. You can link your Google account, Microsoft account, or you can skip it. And let's get started with CentOS. Here you will get some tutorial. You can check it later. Then first close it now. Okay, this is CentOS. We can see various applications here. We can install VMware tools. Click and install it. When we install VMware tools, we can copy files between host and our CentOS. In upper menu bar, you can find applications. Click on it and you can see various applications that we can use for different purpose. Just like in Windows and on Mac OS, here are also some pre-built applications that we can use, just like Office or email browsers like Mozilla Firefox. You can see all applications available here in big menu. Now finally we have installed CentOS on our VMware virtual machine. Here is the workspace area. We can create many workspace. Now let's open terminal and run some commands. You will use echo home to see our home directory where it is. Yeah, you can see the home directory. It will print home directory directly. You have installed CentOS goodly. If there arise any problem, you can comment down in the below and I will try to solve your query. Thank you, and I will try to make more videos on Linux, how to use Linux more, and what are the Linux commands. Now we will close our Linux, CentOS, shut down. While shutdowning, it requires password. Yeah, enter your password and shut down it. Thanks for watching, guys.